welcome back. My name is Jason, and in this video we are going to do my last unboxing of a subscription called Awakening in a Box. So keep watching and we'll see what my last box holds for me. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. This is how the subscription comes. It comes in a small box like this. Nothing on the box. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like inside. They give you a nice little card. Now, with the subscriptions from Awakening in the Box, if you're not familiar with them, this particular subscription is, I believe, $13.33 a month. If I'm not mistaken, I'll put the exact price down in the description below or above here. It just wasn't something that I had thought that it would be initially, so it's not a bad box. It's on the spiritual end, so it deals with like crystals and like spiritual growth type things. So it's not a bad box, and actually I have subscribed to another Awakening in a Box version, which is actually their Mystic Tarot box. So each month you get a different tarot deck, and I've gotten one of those so far. I'm still waiting for this month's, so we'll see what that has. But that so far I'm keeping that one, the Mystic Tarot. This is just the regular Awakening in a Box, and again $13.33 per month, I believe. So the card here, I believe there's somebody that I don't know how the artist is related to this subscription box, and I don't know if they actually do the same, if it's the same artist for each box, but they always have some kind of art rendering on their card. And then on the back it talks about what's in your box and gives some retail values of them. So let's see, is there a theme for this month? It says, welcome to the Self-Love Awakening box. So this box is themed after self-love. All right, so this is the inside. When we get rid of this, the paper shreds here, let's see here. Let's see what it looks like. They usually give you like a little mesh pouch. Okay, and inside this mesh pouch is usually where your crystals are. So I'll open that in a minute, but we have something else this month too. And we also get this Scrub the Day Away from a Sutra. Exfoliating Body Scrub, Revitalizing Coconut. I really do love me some coconut, so this feels... It's a body scrub. Yeah, maybe. So it's definitely grainy. I can feel the grains in there. So body scrub, yeah. So I gotta be careful because in the past I've used scrubs on my face, and I don't know if this is what did it, but one time I did, and I actually gave myself a black eye. So my eyes aren't black today. I actually attempted to do an eye makeup look. Which is a challenge for me because I'm blind, so I can't hold one eye open. I just have to close my eye and, you know, pray to the gods that I get color on the right way. So anyway, so this will be fun to try. This I don't want to open it now because once you open it, you got to use it. So that's fun. Let's look at the pouch. Okay, let's open this baby up here. And what I like about them is with the crystals that they give you, they include little cards that talk about what the properties of the crystal, what the crystal is. So it looks like there's going to be 3 crystals at least. This first one says pink calcite. Then we've got, I don't know if that's Unikite. Let me see if I can read it better in this other one. This is the problem with reading the cards, is the font is too fancy and I can't read it sometimes. So let's see if it mentions in here Includes, yeah, Unikite. So it's a Unikite, a pink calcite, and a rhodonite. Rhodonite. If I'm butchering any of those pronunciations, I'm sorry. Let me know in the comments below how you say them. But let's see if I can identify what these are based on that. And it looks like you also have in this, oh, it'll be easy to identify. So, okay, so that must go with that. This is, this first thing doesn't come in a little bag, so I don't know what type of crystal it is. This must be the pink calcite. Yeah, there's a little pink to it. So this I'm assuming is the pink calcite. I'm not going to go ahead and read the affirmation or what the properties of the calcite are. I just want this to be a short video to introduce you guys to Awakening a Box if you're not familiar with them. So this next one is going to be the rhodonite. This one's actually kind of really cool. It's got some, looks like it has some purple in it. Let me take it out of the bag for you. Yeah, oh wow, I like those colors. That's actually a really cool. It's like a mauve and black stone. That's really cool. All right, so that's the rhodonite. And then the euconite is this here. It's another nice one too. It's got some cool coloration to it. This is the euconite. So, I guess the reason that these aren't speaking to me as much is, and it could just be my own doing, I don't feel any energy from the crystals. There's been a couple that my husband has kind of held and really felt an energy from, but I've yet to really feel any kind of energy from the crystals. I did, with one of my boxes, I did go ahead and cleanse the crystals. I had some sage spray that I sprayed over them, and then I held them to kind of put my energy into them, but it didn't really, so far there hasn't really been anything that's spoken to me. So that's part of the reason that I'm not continuing with it. It's nothing to do necessarily with the box. It's more my own personal energy isn't connecting. So this last thing is they give you a little chain. Ooh, this is very, very dainty. So this may be a little too dainty for me. Let's see here. And of course it got all tangled. It's a pretty chain, it's just, okay, well, it's gonna take me too long to untangle this. But they give a chain, nice little chain, and this is gonna hold this pendant. Now, I don't know what stone this is. It says you can have rose quartz, which I know that's not rose quartz. Aura rose quartz, I'm assuming this is not the Aura rose quartz. It could be the new jade. So I'm gonna guess that this is new jade, just because it's got a greenish hue to it. So anyway, that's the little pendant they give you for the chain. And that is all for this Awakening in a Box. Like I said, this is my last box. I'd ordered 3 up front, so this is the 3rd of my shipments. Again, it's not a bad company. $13.33 a month for that, I don't feel is a bad price. I just wasn't connecting to the energy of the items that are in each box. So that'll do it for me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I am excited to get my next Awakening in a Box Mystic Tarot pack. which I'm hoping is going to be arriving soon. So I will upload that as soon as I get that. And other than that, that'll do it for me. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're staying happy, staying healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.